Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's Kiosha. So based on the title, you already know what's going on. So I'm starting out by combing through my brows, and then I'm going to use this black eye pencil and outline my brows so I'll know where to wax and where not to wax. Before we get started, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, become part of the family. Leave me a comment in the comment box down below. Yeah, so with this step, you want to be very precise because this is going to be your guide for the way you wax your brows. So I just copy the same exact steps on the opposite side, and when I'm done, I take this Sally Hansen wax strip kit and I get into waxing my brows. So I push it onto the eyeliner because I like to use a creamy eyeliner and it'll leave an impression, and then I could just cut around that impression using some scissors and it'll fit perfectly to my eye shape. So that's what you see me doing here. And then you know how to wax. If you don't know how to wax, it's just you put the wax strip there, you rub it into the skin, you make some tension, and then you just pull it off. So that's what you see me doing here. And if you keep seeing me look away in this video, it's because I'm watching Netflix. So yeah. And then you do the same thing to the opposite side. And then I'm using this finishing oil, and it just soothes the skin. And I'm also using that same oil to wipe off the pencil using like a baby wipe, so I can go in and see what I've done. And as you can see, this eye over here on the left side look a mess. So I had to go in, plug my right eye, and then I'm gonna go back in and fix what I messed up on the left eye. So I took a small little piece of wax strip, and then I just waxed that the way it was supposed to be. I forgot the tail area, so whatever. But yeah, and then you just go in and pluck out any unnecessary hairs. I'm using Reflecto Seal number 3 in natural brown as my tint, and you mix that in with the hydrogen peroxide activator, like just whatever, and then it'll start to change very fast once you put it on the brows. And I just use like a Morphe brush, a thin like flat Morphe brush, and I just go and I draw my desired shape. And you want to be very precise with this because this is the shape that your brows will stay. So yeah, and I left that on for about 10 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the darker it'll be, but I didn't want my brows to be too dark. But I love the way they came out. One is better than the other, of course. Always. You can never just get perfect brows, but whatever. And then I just cleaned it up with some concealer. I'm using LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I kind of regret going over the top of my brows with this concealer. I wish I would have just like cleaned up the bottom because I kind of messed it up, but whatever. That's the end of the video. I hope you like what you see. I hope this helps you. If you do decide to start tinting your brows, send me some pictures on Instagram at BeatByKey. Thank y'all for watching this video, and again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Become part of the family because you know I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.